Hello, and welcome to another St. Paul's Celebration Assembly.
Hello everybody, a huge hello from myself to the whole school community, and I would like to say, before we get into the nominations for this celebration assembly, I would like to say a huge thank you on behalf of the school to all of the wonderful work that the parents and the carers have done looking after the children during this lockdown. It's been a testing time, hasn't it, to say the least. I'd also like to say thank you to all the children in the school who've been coming to the lessons, joining in, contributing and helping us to keep our learning moving along. Tomorrow is officially World Book Day, but I've notified the parents to say that we're going to do it next Thursday when we're all back at school. I thought it'd be fantastic for us all to have a nice experience of dressing up together as our favourite characters next week. So I will send an email with further information about that soon. Over to my nominations for my class. So it was tough. It's always a tough choice, but there's a couple of people that have come to my mind this week. My first person is Samiha. Sammy has been working really hard in the Google Classroom lessons, always typing, answering questions, contributing. So Sammy, it's been great to have you being part of the class so much. So I look forward to seeing you next week when I'll see you in person. And the second person is Ella. Ella is an incredibly positive person, even when things don't always go her way. And it's been great to see her being so caring of her classmates, but also working very hard in lessons, contributing and being very positive in lessons. So thank you very much, Ella, for that. Now I'm going to hand over to the next teacher. Take care.
Hi Year 5, it's our last virtual assembly before we return on Monday. I, for one, am super excited to see you in person, but I know somebody who's going to miss seeing you every day, which is this little sleepyhead here. She's loved seeing you guys in the lessons. I think you've been enjoying her too. This week for our significant achievements, I'm going to just say, well done Year 5 for absolutely smashing it during lockdown. You've all worked so hard and you've just been so impressive. Thank you for coming to our lessons, for contributing, and I'd love to give a special shout out to Ayub for always coming up with such fantastic questions and making links across all of your knowledge, particularly with history. So well done, Year 5. I can't wait to see you on Monday. See you then. Bye.
Hello Year 4, hope you're all well and keeping safe. I just want to say well done to all of you for continuously doing your Purple Mash work and taking part in the Google classes. It's fantastic to see you all each week and to have so much of your wonderful work to look at and to mark. The significant achievements for Year 4 this week are for both Esme and Hania, and that is because you're both working so hard on Purple Mash and in school, and you are always taking part in the Google classes. So thank you very much for that. See you all soon. Goodbye.
Hi everyone at St. Paul's. Welcome to another special assembly. Hope you're keeping well and keeping safe. Thank you to Year 3 for all your hard work over the last few months that you've produced on the Purple Mash and the Google Classrooms. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. So this week's nominations are Ryan and Alima for all your hard work you have produced on The Tunnel, which is a book that we're studying for literacy. You both have used very interesting adjectives and have both thought of a very great ending, alternative ending to the story as well. So thank you for that and well done. And I will see everyone else on Monday. Have a great rest of the week. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hello Year 2, not long now till we can all be back in the classroom. I cannot wait. Thank you for all your work around pirates. I'm looking forward to doing lots more exploring and learning about pirates over the next few weeks. This week, I would like to nominate Sarah. Sarah has really improved in the way that she shares her ideas in our Google Classroom sessions. Sometimes it can be a bit scary, but Sarah has decided that she is going to share her ideas and she is growing in confidence. So well done, Sarah, for that and the work you do that you send in. I would also like to nominate Noura. Noura, it's been wonderful to see the maths work that you've been doing. I can see you've been really trying, really putting in your best effort, so well done to you. And a special mention to Peter for coming dressed as a pirate to today's Google Classroom session. Well done to all of you, and see you later.
Hello Year 1, how are you doing? Hope you're well. It's that time again, certificates. My certificates this week will be going to Ayan Huck. Ayan Huck, just want to say really well done for joining us on Google Class, for your level of participation, for having really good questions when we've been discussing and doing work for literacy. So I've been really pleased with that, and also for turn taking, putting up your hand and not speaking at the same time. So that's been really good to see. My next certificate will be going to Eunice. Eunice, I've been so impressed with your level of input on Google Class. You've been joining in. You've been also giving some good questions and feedback. But my certificate will go to you primarily because when you've been telling those really terrible jokes. Now, Eunice tells us those really terrible jokes every afternoon during mindfulness, and actually that's actually helped us to keep our spirits high. It's given us loads of belly laughs, and we're just in bits. So Eunice, thank you so much for doing that for Year 1. Also, Eunice, I think that maybe you should share some of those really terrible jokes with Mr. Bennett and Mr. Rubin, because it won't be fair if you don't. I look forward to seeing you all on the 8th. It's exciting to have you all back. We're going to be in class again, but some of you might be feeling a range of different emotions, and we've been discussing that today with Year 1. Some of you might be feeling a little bit worried. Maybe there might be a few tears even, or you might be really happy and excited. What I will say, it's okay to have different emotions. You might have some of them or all of them, but all emotions are okay to have. What we'll be doing, we'll be taking each day at a time, and what I will say is not to worry too much. We're all in it together, so just put your best foot forward. Look after yourselves and take care.
Hello butterflies, I hope you're all well. The nominations for this week are for Anaya and Rowan for always trying to join Google Classroom and finishing their daily tasks. This week they have made a fantastic project of what they would find at the top of the beanstalk. Well done to you both. Looking forward to seeing you all next week. Bye butterflies. Over to you, Miss Blake.
Hello everyone, hello nursery class. My nominations this week are for Ridwan and for Yusuf Hock. You have both been doing some really good work on Google Classrooms. You have been coming to most of the sessions and you've been working really hard. So well done to both of you, and well done to all of nursery class. Take care, see you all soon, bye bye.
See you on Monday, you lovely children.